today we will review vocabulary words that we have learned from previous stories. Previous means before, that you've read before. Okay, reading, when you sit on the rug, on the carpet, we will take turns with the group reading each word and definition. And speaking, we will use each word in a sentence. And you get a choice of 4 words, so you can pick 4 words. That's all you have to write is 4 sentences. And listening, you will listen as I model the lesson, okay? And writing, we will write a sentence and draw a picture for each word, which is 4 words today. Okay? Okay. And I'm going to go over the words. Steep. Does anybody know what steep is? I will pick Kayla.
Steep is like a steep hill.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Good job. Okay, I'm going to read the definition, okay? It's having a sharp inclination, which means a slant, and also to soak in liquid in order to soften. Okay? Those are 2 definitions. The next word is peak. Alessio.
It's like a peak on a mountain.
Correct. Very good. Yes, it is the pointed top of a mountain. Good job. Next one is altitude. For listening, we modeled. And for speaking, the students paid attention to everything I said. And reading, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you guys form a line. And we're going to count 1 to 5. And everybody in the one group will sit in a circle. And the first person that counts is number 1. We'll get a little package, and we will have the students sit on the carpet and read the definitions, the word and the definitions. And then when you're done, you raise your hand, okay?
Okay.
And if you're finished and the other groups aren't finished yet, I want you to go around and pick a card and make a sentence for your group, okay? Until all the groups are done, and then we're going to go on to the next step, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and form a line.
Grainy surface. Textures. A rough or a grainy surface. Peak. Texture. The pointed top of rough. A rough or a grainy surface. Texture. A rough or grainy surface. Texture. A rough or grainy surface. Now we go. What I said. We put it on the bottom. Yeah, put it on the bottom. Just put it here. Peak. Survival. Peak. The state or fact of a community to live or survival. The state or fact of continuing to live or exist. The state or fact of survival. The state or fact of continuing to live or exist.
The final step of the vocabulary lesson is going to be for you guys to pick out of the 10 words, 4 words, and you fold your paper in half, and then you fold it in half again, and you will have 4 squares, 1 for each word. And what I want you to do first is write your name and the date, and today is April 20th, 2015. And you have 4 squares, 1 for each word. You write your word, boys and girls.
Yes.
You write your word on top of the square, and then you can draw a picture, and if you like, you can even write a sentence. But I will accept either or both, okay? And I picked 4 words that I'm going to write about. And then I'm going to, do you have any questions so far? Or any concerns about what you're doing or how to do it or anything? No? Okay. Yes, Samia?
Are we gonna draw pictures?
You can draw pictures for your word. For your word. Like if you have a peak, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the word on top of my paper, and you write my name. No. And today is 4/20/2015. And my word is peak. And it's having a sharp point. So I will draw a couple of mountains, okay?
Hey, Chloe, what are you drawing?
I'm drawing a picture down here, but the word's up here.
Oh, good. So, what's your first word? Slopes.
Uh-huh.
Nice. So, what are you writing about slopes? Oh, you're doing the definition.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then, what kind of picture could you draw for slope?
Like,
So, there's some slopes.
yeah.
Okay.
Dark.
All right, Izzy, what are you doing?
Equipment. I'm gonna do a tennis racket, a tennis ball, and a soccer ball.
So, some sports equipment. How are you, Maya? What are you drawing?
Equipment.
What kind of equipment?
There's breathing tanks equipment for climbing mountains, and there's bow and arrows.
Oh.
The top of mountains for peaks.
Ooh, that's awesome. I love those. Those are nice peaks that you're drawing. Melessia, what are you working on?
Survival.
Survival? What are you drawing for survival?
I'm drawing a man trying to survive, and I'm just barely drawing the tent right now.
It's very good. A survival tent. Nice. All right, Ruben, what are you going to draw? Which word are you working on? Huh? Tropical? And what are you going to draw for tropical?
Jungle. A jungle.
A jungle? So let me see your jungle.
Okay, guys. And I'll be right here, okay?
All right, Sumia, that looks like a cool tropical jungle. You got some trees. What kind of animals live in the tropical jungle?
Coyotes.
No, not coyotes.
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Maybe big snakes.
Tigers.
Tigers might live in the jungle.
Panthers.
Panthers, maybe. Good job.